Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. And today, in this video, I am going to present to you a workflow that I have set up which solves the problem of creating videos, especially shorts and reels. And so this system will allow you to create a complete video from A to Z entirely with AI just by using a simple print. In addition to that, this system will also allow us to automatically publish this video on 9 social networks. So you just need to connect your LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. There are in total 9 that I have set up. And simply with a single click, you just need to activate this workflow. It will work and operate for you. So just a quick overview of the quality of the video we can generate. These are really videos with, mind you, audio, and there is a person speaking. And of course, there are captions and text. And these are videos generated 100% by AI, and these videos can be written in a few seconds with any theme, any description, and any information you want to share. So all this work, you will see that it will be shared as you are watching here on LinkedIn, automatically, on your Facebook page, also on Blue Sky, Pinterest, and we also have it on TikTok. By the way, on TikTok, what's funny is a video that was made earlier, there is only a few hours ago that was set up. So here is the number of views. And it's a test account that I created specifically for this video. And there you will also find it even on the X network and Twitter as well. It publishes directly with the appropriate text both on Instagram and on YouTube. And on YouTube we have the option to publish it directly or work on the visibility so that it is either embryonic or not visible. And even we can do it on the Threads network. So all of this I will show you step by step. You will also have, at the end of this video, I will give you a small documentation. Here, it's a whole documentation. It's a guide where I share all the prompts, everything, the workflow, all the links and sites that I used in this system to have an operational system. So please stay until the end of the video. I will show you how to install N8N in an unlimited way. How to import this workflow. I will test, simply launch the workflow and show you which APIs I have set up so that you can simply get it running and use it. I think today with this ultra complete workflow, we can say thank you and goodbye to everything related to video creation. We will let this workflow help us create quality videos. The workflow can also work or be executed starting only from step 5. This means that if you have your own video, you don't want to create it. With the IAI, you can simply connect it from step 5 so that it can distribute it across all its networks: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Blue, Sky, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. I thank you very much. Just before continuing the training on YouTube, I wanted to introduce myself very quickly for those who don't know me. My name is Firas. I am a doctor in artificial intelligence, and today I am a trainer on the Udemy platform. So, on this platform, I teach courses in marketing, business, and artificial intelligence. And if you go to the marketing category, you will find that I have several courses there. And I am ranked as the most popular trainer in France in these categories. You will see that I have profiles that contain the badge, Udemy Partner Trainer. And most of my courses also have the badge, Best Seller. There you go. Among my accounts on Udemy, I have approximately 120,000 students who have taken my courses. And of course, we have more than 14,000 positive reviews. Today as well, I am a member of the N8N community, where I actually publish my workflows. These are workflows that I customize for Datomo companies and share with you for free for the purpose of learning. To finally thank you for subscribing to my channel, YouTube, on my website, Ampo, which you will find the link here. I have gathered my courses that are currently available on Udemy, which are the best sellers, and you simply have access directly to benefit from these courses. This is a token of my appreciation for your loyalty. Use this coupon to access these courses. I thank you very much and enjoy the course. So the first thing, of course, you will need my workflow file. In fact, all this source code. Here, let's say, so it's this file that I will obviously provide you with the link to download. So you need to have this file. It's a file you will see with a JSON extension. And we will need to import this file into N81, so N81. So here is the automation system. today. In fact, on the official site, you will see that here, the problem with N81 is that it will be a bit expensive, so there. As a result, if we go for $24, we are also limited to a maximum of 5 workflows at the same time. That means we cannot run more than 5 automations at the same time, and so this is a constraint. So what is the solution? For you to have, like me here, an unlimited workflow, it means I can create active workflows in an unlimited manner, so I won't actually have a limit regarding that. And to be able to have this space and simply have an active license, it's simple. You just need to click on the link in the description. I am giving you a direct link that provides you with a pre-installed N8N server. Because today on Hostinger, they offer us a VPS with N8N pre-installed. And it only costs $6.99. And this one, you'll see when I click here, it will show you several types of servers. The one you're interested in is this one, which contains 2 processors. This one is so powerful that you can, of course, run any type of workflow inside. So you will simply click right here. You will select, of course, the location where you want your server to be installed. Generally, if you are in France, you will simply select France. And you also have, so there, here, in fact, you can leave it like that, select France. And there you will, so you can add an additional discount code. Apart from the code presented today, you will simply type here, Dr. Ferraz, and you will see when you apply it, you will get another discount. So as a result, it comes to less than €6 per month. Once you have done that, you will simply click on Continue to approve this server. I will show you right away the 2 steps to complete the configuration at 100% and have the unlimited license with the N8N server from Hostinger. So right after the payment, we will be here in this interface to start configuring our server. You will first choose the physical location of your server. You will find several locations. Personally, I choose France since I have clients in France. So as a result, it is very optimized, in fact, for traffic management. I select Continue. And here it's very important. In fact, you will find several types of servers. What interests me is this one. In fact, it's the N8N. You can simply type N8N here, and you will find that server. If I then select this server, of course, it will tell me that it will work with the version Ubuntu 24.04. It's the very latest version. And I click on Select. There, BDisPlan, it suggested adding what we call a malware system, which is simply an antivirus. This will actually protect the server from attacks and anything related to injection. So here I will activate it, it's free, and then I will create my account with my login and password. So here I choose a login and password. I can click here to use automatic generation. And here it's the name of my server. You will copy this information and also copy your password information to a secure place, because you will need it when we connect with SSH later on our server. So here I click on Continue. Here it will take a few moments to complete the installation and server configuration. Generally, it's quick. Let's say in about 3 minutes, you will find the key. Configuration of your VPS ready to be deployed. So you just had to wait for the installation to successfully complete. Well, now I can directly access to configure my VPS. Here there are the SSH accesses, which is actually very interesting to copy. So here we see the copies in a secure place with the login password. And here you also have the option to have a custom domain name to actually access your .vps server. Of course, you can click here and select the domain name that interests you. As you can see there, starting from €4. You can even find some for less than €2 and even less than €1. Here, it's actually a choice. You can do it whenever you want to give a direct name to your VPS and to access it now. To do the final configuration, I click here on VPS and you will see that I can simply click to access my server. This is a small form which can simply be skipped and go directly to Manage Application. So I click here. So I need to define an email with which I will access my N8N. Also a username where you put your first name, last name, and your password here, and you activate here. In fact, if you actually want to receive updates, otherwise, you will click on Next. And there you go. Now I am on my interface. There is the possibility here to click there to actually receive a free lifetime license key to unlock the additional features and functionalities. Here, I click on send me a free license key to receive this free key in my email inbox. And off we go. So now I am on my N8N interface where I can create my different scenarios and manage everything related to workflow on this interface. So now we have finished the installation and configuration of N8N. So here it is. I actually have access to my key, which I would have received by email. You simply needed to copy that code or click on activate the sky scenes to be able to activate it. And so I simply went to City. Here in the settings, you will see that in the usage and plan section, of course, I have an unlimited number of workflows. This is what's very interesting. And I can also access all the paid features by entering my key here. I will click to add the key, not to mention that this will save me from subscribing to paid plans. I come here, click on enter key, and then I will copy paste my key. Once my key is entered, I will click on activate. And there you go, the license has been successfully added. And so now I can simply use and work with the system without any problem. So I have 100% set up an active N8N account with an unlimited number of workflows on a server that is actually hosted on hosting, and I can launch it. So we have seen how we could optimize the installation of N8N and be able to run and work with all the scenarios and workflows at a lower cost with, of course, a performance server that can actually support the different scenarios. We come back here, we will create our workflow. You will see up there, you have the option to import the workflow from a file. You will select that option and choose the file you downloaded of my workflow. Here is the file on my computer. You just need to click here to open it. You will see that the workflow has just opened in this way. Of course, there are some settings to configure if it's the first time. As you are opening it, it's normal that you will, for example, connect some APIs as a basic step, connect your own page. Excel, you will connect your own screen to trigger. But before setting up the configuration, and installation, it's very important for me that you understand the scenario, that you understand the information, how it flows, that you understand how I was able to create this system. Once you have understood well, you will see afterwards. The configuration will be very simple to do. But if you are going to configure things on a scenario that you don't understand, what is it? The first step. What is the second step? Because here, in my scenario, I have designed it so that there are several steps that are separated. Let's say at each step, it performs a function. So for me, I will explain to you what each step does, and that way you will understand the progression and how I move from the first step to the fifth step. So stay until the end. Little by little, I will show you which step needs to be programmed and what exactly that step does. Well, so I would like to start and talk about the first step. So you will see what I am going to do. In fact, I am going to execute. I will actually create a video and publish it on social media. And to better understand how information circulates. And you will see that there are a few pauses. And that's good because during the pauses here, I am waiting for the video to be generated by other APIs. So already when we wait during the pause, we will take the opportunity to discuss together to better understand. So for me, I first present the 5 steps. What are they? So the first step, you should know that here I am creating the video. That means I am asking the AI to create a video for me. You will see that there I have obviously done it in the documentation. We will start here. So quite simply, I put in parentheses where I will ask it to write videos for me. These are just examples. You understood that these are just simple sentences where I suggest to the system to write those videos for me. It's just so you understand the scenario. Then it needs to make for me. The creation of this scenario, you will see that I move to the second step, and this is a step where I integrate the duo into the video, because the video, when I release it, will not have sound. So this is a step where I add the sound. Then I add the subtitles, the captions in the video. And then the fourth step, I create the description, the title, because, when I share, for example, a short on YouTube, I have to put a title. So here, this part 4 is where I set up, in fact, everything that is, information that will help me with SEO. And the fifth step is a step where I actually launch the recording, the publication of the video on 8 or 9 social networks. Of course, here you simply have an option where I can right click. If you are not working with, well, for example, YouTube, you can simply click here to disable it. So the system, you will keep it like this with the 9 networks. And then it's up to you. It all depends. If you don't want to share on TikTok, you will simply disable it. So this is an initial presentation of the 5 steps. For you to understand what I am doing for each step, we will now try to understand the first step and execute it to see in reality what it will produce and how the system will create a video for me.